Today, I'll show you how to make this printable pizza box from the comfort of your home. And the link to this free template is in the video description below if you want to print this out now and craft along with me. Additionally, if you purchase the Winking Chef with Mini Pizza from our Etsy shop, this tutorial will also cover everything you need to know to start making your minis. If you like what you see and you want to see more free printables in the future, just be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on any of our future videos. The first thing you'll want to do is to print the template double-sided on 65-pound cardstock, and then use the 6 red squares as guides to score the template along all the lines shown. Scoring the template will help you make clean folds later on, and these steps are identical if you're making the Winking Chef pizza box as well. Once that's done, you can simply cut out the template and use the naturally occurring edges as guides to cut the paper along all the lines shown. This will help you create the tabs, which you'll later paste to the inside of the box. After you've created the tabs, you'll next want to begin folding the template along all the scored lines, and I find that it helps to imagine yourself as a butterfly fluttering from flower to flower in a fragrant meadow. It won't do anything to improve your miniatures, but it will make the time pass more interestingly. Next, apply glue to the red tabs we created earlier and paste them to the inside of the box. Technically, it doesn't matter what order you do these in, but I like to start at the top and work my way down to the bottom of the template. Also, for anyone who's been following my content for some time now, you probably already know that I'm pretty impatient, so I actually paste these 2 at a time, but I recommend that you go at your own pace. For those of you that supported my Etsy shop today, I just want to say thank you before we go over making the paper pizzas. You make it all worth it. To make the paper pizza, I printed them on 65-pound cardstock, but regular paper is fine too. Just cut out the top, middle, and bottom of your pizza. Then, use the guides to cut out a slice from the top and a slice from the middle of the pie. Then, glue them together. Next, cut out a slice from the bottom of the pie, apply glue to the opposite side of your pizza slice, and stick them together. Once dry, it should look like a piece of misshapen fruit. You know, ugly. To fix this, all you have to do is fold the paper over and apply little dabs of glue to create your pizza crust. Don't worry about being precise here. I think it actually looks better the more crinkly your crust is. Once again, I'd just like to say thank you to both my beautiful viewers and Etsy shop supporters. I love to hear from you all, so feel free to send me photos of your finished work and leave a comment with any future printables you might like to see. If you haven't already, subscribe today to keep up to date with everything printable.